If your passport is expiring soon, you might not even need to stand in line to get it renewed. In many cases, you can do it entirely by mail. First, make sure you qualify. Your most recent passport has to be in good condition, not reported lost or stolen, and issued within the last 15 years. You also need to have been at least 16 when you got it. If your name has changed since then, you can still renew, but you'll need to include official proof like a marriage certificate or court order. Once you know you're eligible, it's time to fill out the form. The form you'll use is called DS-82. The easiest way is to use the online form filler on a computer, then print it out on single-sided paper. Double-sided forms aren't accepted. Don't forget to sign and date it before mailing. If you travel a lot, you can check the box for a larger passport book, which gives you more visa pages at no extra cost. Next, gather the required items. You'll need your most recent passport, one new passport photo that meets official requirements, and payment by check or money order made out to the U.S. Department of State. Cash isn't accepted. If your current name is different from what's on your passport, include a certified copy of the name change document. When you mail your application, include everything in one envelope. Your old passport will be mailed back to you separately. Now, let's talk about timing. Standard processing can take several weeks, but you have options to speed things up. Adding $60 gets you expedited service, and you can also pay extra for faster return shipping. If you're traveling in less than 3 weeks, mailing won't work. You'll need to book an in-person appointment at a passport agency instead. Where you send your application depends on where you live and whether you're requesting expedited service. The mailing addresses are listed on the form itself, so double-check before you send it off. That's it.